Meaning of eminent domain.
Eminent domain.
Eminent domain.
Eminent domain.
Eminent domain. Eminent domain refers to the legal power of a government to expropriate private property for public use, even against the will of its owner. The result of eminent domain is that the government gains ownership and control over the property, compensating the owner with fair market value. This power is typically used to build public infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and public buildings. While eminent domain is meant to serve the public interest, it can be controversial as some argue that it violates property rights and may disproportionately affect marginalized communities.